Pagani Wire or Roadster. Look at that. These things are extremely rare and extremely expensive. This thing's tag is probably around 4 million. So since it's a Wire or Roadster, the doors do not go up. They open like the Zondas do, but it is a Wire or Roadster. So you can expect a pretty decent price tag of around 3-4 million, something like that. And I don't know if this one looks like it came with a roof. It might be somewhere maybe under the front, not sure, but it's a Wire or Roadster. Look at that thing, it's so amazing. Now let's get a shot of that engine, the AMG V12. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. What's the price on this one? Nomad Tactical for 88.
Whoa.
Wow, that's a big price.
What does it do?
Everything. Oh, off-road dune buggy. Illegal dune buggy. Wow, look at that. Now let's head around to the back and see those military trucks. Go and get your glasses. Wow, look at that truck. Oh. But real quick, we gotta check out the Snow Jag. Another one? They have 2 of these. What? Oh, Mercedes, look at this. Let's see. Is this the good one? This one that's valuable? An 88 for 75. Still pretty good. Oh, look at that. Injection Spider. Wow. Look at this. Alpha. Look at this thing. Looks crazy. Not the hottest looking car ever, but that is a big truck. Let's see. This is as tall as I am. Look at the size of these tires. Whoa. The license plate is at my eyesight. Big old trucks. How do you even see the price?
1,000.
What is it, in big letters or something? Because I can't see from that angle.
The rest of it's
Turbo diesel. Ooh, look at that. This is what you were talking about? Oh, look at that. Woo! Duramax diesel.
big end of it.
It's dirty. Dirty. Fun. I want to see the inside of this van. ML. What is ML? Look, another one. This one's yellow, not a military grade. Gray. Brown. Can. Yeah. As you can see, it's right by the freeway, so very noisy. Big old truck. Model S. Is this one a customer car? Because I don't see no tags. I don't know, maybe not. S63, these things are monsters. V8 bi-turbo. Viper, here we go. Yes, please. We have like 3 of these in our neighborhood. Big old truck. What? Is that a CV system? Is that what it's called? I think so. I'm not sure. Wait, look at that. My bar. Bye. I'm looking at this. Chevy. Oh, it's an old Impala. Impala SS. It's got the dice. It's got the dice. Oh. Maybach 57S. Whoa, so cool. SL63. 80 grand. Haha, look at this. I want it. This thing's decked out. Wow. Aw, this is a normal van. What about you? Normal van? What's your price? 120. That's not a normal van. It can't be. 120? Ooh, Rolls Royce Wraith. There's the garage. Whoa. Whoa, what is that? I can't see it. Is that a Lotus? I love that color. How much is this one?
65.
65. Whoa, look at the shape of the Ferrari. Look at the shape of this Ferrari. Rodeo Drive, it's got a sticker. Wow, it's... Wow.
Dirty.
Yeah, very dirty.
Dusty.
I love that Aston though.